Hey guys, welcome to another Market Keys video. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing a trading indicator that is made specifically for beginners who want to take better trades in the Forex market and who want an easier way to trade and to do their analysis. Now, my team personally created this indicator as I will be using it to make a lot of my trades. Now, for the past 2 days, I have been trading mostly GBP CAD and Euro GBP, sorry, Euro JBPY. Now, for this particular indicator is very simple because I like to keep my trading very simple. I was able to combine a lot of different momentum, volume, and also trading at a specific time into this particular indicator. And as you can see, almost all of these signals are pretty accurate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A lot of these signals are very accurate. All right, so let me just show you the um, last two trades that I was able to take on GBP CAD. That made me about $125 over the past 3 days or so. All right, so I'm going to play my instant replay so that you can actually see what the alerts look like and how I take my trades. All right, so I just hit play, so you should be able to see all of this moving now. All right, so I got my sell signal and I entered. Let me just put this right here. I entered on this candle, okay, and I like to keep my stop loss to roughly about 30 pips. All right, so yeah, it was right there. So I put my stop loss to about 30 pips, and I entered right here on this candle right here. So my stop loss is 30 pips, and I always trying to aim for at least a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Now, not sure if you guys know, but with Forex trading, your win rate isn't necessarily very important. It is helpful, but it's not very important. What's more important is your risk to reward ratio. So, for example, if I'm risking $10 to make $20, that means if I only win 50% of the time, I will still be profitable. Okay? All right, so let me just hit this so you can keep playing, so you can keep going, and let's see how far the market actually fell. So yeah, this was where I exited my trade, and it had a lot of momentum, so it still kept going down. All right, but I already exited right here, so I was just looking for the next buy or sell opportunity. And as you can see, this particular entry that I got, it fell to about 170 pips. All right, so that's a lot of pips. Okay, so yeah, so right here, I was waiting for a buy signal because I'm saying if the market has fallen so much, then buyers are going to be coming in to try to buy this price at the very lowest that they can. All right, because that's how the banks and all the traders operate. They like to sell at a high point, which I did right here, and they also like to buy at a very low point so that they can get the best price. So let me just continue playing. Hold on, let me just make this shorter because since that trade was already finished. All right, so I was just waiting for another buy signal, so I continued letting the market run, and then pretty soon after I was able to get an alert on my phone. All right, so that was the buy signal that I got. So I went over here and I entered on this candle right here. I did my normal thing. Hold on, let me just move this up. My stop loss is always 30 pips. So let me just put it right here. Yeah, because I entered on that candle and my take profit is usually 60 pips. I'm not very greedy in the markets. 'Cause as you know, things can change very quickly. So I press this and just price kept going. And just like that, it hit my take profit. So it hit my take profit right exactly up here. So in the past couple of days, I was able to make 120 pips just by trading with this indicator. Now, I typically use it on the 1 hour time frame, all right? Because I like to trade intraday. But for people who like to swing trade, there's also an option for that. So all you have to do is just change the time frame to a 4 hour, and you can see that it gives very accurate signals on the 4 hour as well. So it told us to enter a sell here, and then the market fell to about, that's a lot of pips, to about 500 pips from the 22nd of March. All right, and it's very good for trading on the daily time frame as well. So that's what the daily would look like. Okay, and guys, this works on not only GBP CAD, but it also works on every other currency pair. So it's just a matter of you trying to find the currency pair that you like and the time frame that you like. But I like to stick with G pairs because they kind of move the most. Let me go on Euro JPY. All right, so Euro JPY got to sell. This is a daily time frame, guys. Don't forget, I got to sell, and this was for down 400 pips. And in December, I got a buy that went up to 200 pips. When I'm using the daily time frame, I just use maybe 200 pips as my maximum take profit because I really don't want to stay in the market too long. Okay, let me just go down to the 1 hour to see. So let me show you how to handle Euro JPY. I don't know why I keep calling it GJ, but all of these currency symbols have such strange names. All right, so this sell signal, this went down to about 300 pips. I generally try to, if I'm going to be swing trading, I try to exit at the next signal. So for example, when I was in this sell, I exited at the buy. And if I, well, I didn't take this buy, but if I was going to, I would take this buy and then hold it until I got a sell signal, and then I would exit. All right, so guys, if you're interested in this indicator, I put the link in my description. It's very cheap. It's only $29 per month right now for it, and very soon we will be adding support and resistance to it, and we will also be adding um, a trend meter to it as well, so that you guys can have further confirmation. All right, so like I said, the link is in the description. If you want something to make your trading a lot easier and just something to highlight when different trends have started, then you'll love this indicator. All right, guys. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.